Hello people, my name is Ben from Apfeldoktor in Germany, and I want to show you something new. It is the JC home button for iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. So when you got one for 8 and 8 Plus too, so and when you have ripped off your flex cable and you can't fix it with iMesa because the break of the flex is in a very bad way. You can solve this now with this JC home button. I want to show you this new item. We got it from unionrepair.com. Thanks to my friend Sven for supplying this wonderful tool, and I want to show you how it works. I just done a video in German, so for that I already have jumpered the points on the logic board which are needed for jumpering. I have used this jumper flex cable. I don't think it is good because it is better to just solder down a jumper from here to here, from the Mesa test point to the VDD main test point. I use this flex. When they deliver it, they tell you you can glue it on the board. I don't think that it is a good way to glue it. So just use a jumper when you do it. A jumper isolated from here to here, and then you can start with applying the home button to the display. Just click it on. We can have a look for the home button under the microscope how it looks. So it looks like that. On the back side you have some small SMD parts and the IC. Here we have the FPC, and the flex cable is coming to the button. You don't see it. I just go under the microscope again. Here we have the FPC. Here we have some small components, caps, resistors, and here we got an IC. And we have the flex cable which is going into the button, and in the button we have a mechanic point, and when you press on you hear the click like on the iPhone 6 generation. So now we want to test it. With our test display. Here is our test display. I show it to you. Here's the test screen, and I have just put on the home button. And now I first show it to you with the original button. So you can see the Touch ID is working and everything is fine. Just need power supply. And let's get the thing started. Here we are. Just get the thing a minute to boot up. And here we have no das heißt Fehlermeldung. We have no error code on the screen, so the button is perfectly working. We have Touch ID. Here when we go there you can see the button is fully working. All is fine. And so now we put off the power, get another screen on it with the JC home button, and just want to have a look if this thing works. I showed it already in the last video on my German channel. And let's get the device started. Let's boot up this little thing, this iPhone 7. It works for iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus. Here you see the error message because we have no Touch ID connected. And I already have, you have to pair the button with Bluetooth. I already done it in my last video, so it worked already on startup. So you are connected to the JC Home button with Bluetooth and the button works. Sometimes you have to click it twice, but it works. It really works. Here you see the screen is damaged. It doesn't react all the time, but that's no problem with the home button. It's just a test screen. And here you can see sometimes you have to click it twice, but it works, and I think it is a good alternative for people they have lost complete function of the button. So you can use the button, the JC button. You can get it at unionrepair.com if you want to buy it. And I'm out. I wanted to show you the new JC Home button. I done it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Goodbye.